So today we are heading over to WOW Motorsports in Marietta. We're having a open house event. Just have some stunts going on. Maybe check out some bikes while we're over there. I think Do It With Dan of YouTube fame is going to be over there, and also Walterific, I think, is hanging out with him. So we'll go over there and check it out and see what it's all about. Right now just cruising through downtown Roswell. It rained all day yesterday, so today is a really nice day, so everybody's out. There for a season here too. Got a little chilly all of a sudden. Check out that perfectly camouflaged tree antenna. It's amazing. I could barely even see it. Could you guys see it? It fit in. It fit in perfectly. It's like, it looks like all the other trees. If all the other trees turned into cyborgs. Excursion. Mine's better. Well, so far, 120 is kind of a long, boring road. Nothing exciting going on. I haven't been on it in a while, but I guess I don't remember it because it was so boring. Some guy on a bike behind me. What's up, biker? And we're stopping. And he almost hit me because he's a douchebag. I don't like douchebag bikers, people. Be a good biker. Gonna ride my bike to Old Canton Road. Gonna ride till I go past it. Then I'm gonna keep riding. It's a little windy out today. So you know what? We're gonna go south. I'm gonna take 120 south just because if I don't, then I don't get to see the big chicken. If I don't get to see the big chicken, you don't get to see the big chicken. And everybody wants to see the big chicken. Who doesn't want to see the big chicken? And as my daughter would say, behold the big chicken. Behold the big chicken. His eyes are moving, big's moving. Crazy chicken. The lazy chicken. And we are coming up on WOW Motorsports. Like some antics going on already. see if I can get out of this parking lot now. To be totally honest, I don't know where I'm at right now, but I'm going somewhere. It's all good. I think I know that street. Should I go that way? Alright, I am seriously lost. Pull in this Publix up here and figure out where I is. Where I needs to be. Alright, so what are my thoughts about the open house at WOW Motorsports? Well, it was crowded. A lot of people showed up for sure. Maybe a little too crowded for their parking lot. It was nearly impossible to park. Stunt show is pretty cool. There's mostly good seats. I don't like that they kept us all on one side, but I understand. Their building is way too small for as many bikes and things as they have in there. I mean, I got trapped at one point trying to navigate my way through the bikes, and then other people come in behind you. I have a slight claustrophobia, so if I get trapped in somewhere, especially, I don't even like big crowds. Like big crowds make me kind of claustrophobic as well. The crowd outside wasn't so bad because it was pretty sparse. Most everybody was lined up against the rope to watch the stunt show. Inside though, getting sandwiched, sardined in between all the bikes and the people walking around checking things out. That was a little too much. I know they've been at that location a long time, but I might want to consider moving. How many bikes do they have there? And if they want to do more events like this, that blacktop they had out front, even though it's not as hot a day as it normally is, the sun coming off that blacktop was pretty warm. Like I say, the stunt show is pretty cool, but I do like that they got the crowd involved and doing the slow race contest. I don't think I could do that on this bike. Maybe I'll practice. This bike is very left heavy because primary and chain and everything is on the left. These choppers are always off balance, but it is low to the ground, so that gives you a little bit of advantage. Ooh, a bike with a bike on a trailer. Person is brake happy, apparently. Alright, I'm going to go whichever way you're not going, because I cannot be behind you anymore. Don't turn right, don't turn right, don't turn right. Okay, good. Alright, well that about wraps it up. Gotta do one more errand before I get home. I gotta pick up some sandwich bags for the kids' lunches for school. So, if this video was as boring as I think it is, because it was pretty boring, still give it a thumbs up. Give me some encouragement so I can make better videos. Maybe I'll find better events. So until then, later skaters. My old then this is the parking lot.